Do you suffer from seasonal affect disorder? For those of us who have clear-cut cases of SAD every winter, there are some well-researched steps we can take to drastically reduce the symptoms until the sunshine and warmer temperatures return. Number 1, throw open those curtains. As soon as you wake up in the morning, get up and raise those shades and let in as much morning light as possible. Put on your gym shoes. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, might be as successful as therapy or antidepressants at helping our serotonin levels. Check out my blog from February of 2018 for more on this about HIIT. Keep up your interests. You may not feel like attending your weekly knitting circle, but pushing yourself to be with friends is a great way to lift your spirits, to say nothing of strengthening your social connections. Get a light box. It's the most often cited and well-known tool to fight SAD. Light boxes are the magic bullet for up to 50% of SAD sufferers. The box shifts your mood in only a few days, giving blessed relief almost as fast as a speeding bullet. Eliminate sugar. People who consume the most sugar are prone to depression. Scientists now think sugar lowers our body's ability to cope with stress. So cutting out the sugar will make you less depressed. Go outside and play. Your mother was right. Grab those earmuffs and muffler and take a brisk walk outside in the morning after sunrise. Hit your yoga mat. More and more studies are pointing to yoga as a good practice for stress reduction and anxiety. If you can, take a little trip. Soaking up some warm sun rays for just a few days can help break and reset your circadian rhythm and kick up our serotonin absorption. I hope that these help, and let me know if you have any proven remedy at info@ljrowan.com. I'm open to all suggestions. And until next time, be vibrant.